Can you give her just a little soft kiss for me?
Okay, there we are.
Good job.
Hi, Kedzie.
Hey, hi.
Kedzie. Hi, sweetheart.
Waverly, give her a high five. Keds, look.
And it's Thanksgiving Day, and Kedzie's in her own room out of ICU.
High five, baby
well,
Keds.
in a different
There you
room.
go.
Anyway.
High five.
And Waverly's visiting.
Yay!
Aww.
Be gentle. Gentle, remember?
Good job, big girl. Did you miss your sister?
Gentle.
Did you miss Kat?
Gentle, okay?
You know, where is her from? We gave her
Down below, I believe.
She remembers these things.
Oh, well, maybe it's...
It's a wagon.
Oh, here it is. You
know
remember
what?
everything,
What
don't
is
you?
that sandwich doing under there?
Is there a sandwich under there?
Hey, sit down.
Alright, now you handle this. I gotta get ready for Thanksgiving. You do the reaching.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart.
Hamburger.
Will you be there long enough? Because we'll probably be...
Waverly, don't hang over the edge there.
Okay, yeah, then just do that. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. Yeah, because right now she's a little distracted.
Bye, Wade.